In this video, I'm going to show you how to make happiness in Infinite Craft. So the first thing you want to do is combine water with water to get a lake, and then lake with fire to get a volcano, and then volcano with another lake to get an island. Now we want earth plus wind to get dust, and now we want dust plus wind to get a sandstorm, and now dust plus earth to get a planet, and then you want planet plus a sandstorm to get Mars. Now we want to combine Earth with Mars to get life, and then life with dust to get a human, and then water with fire to get steam, and then human with human to get family, okay? And now family is the first thing that we're gonna need. Now you want to put it up here, and then you want to combine steam with human to get an engineer with family to get a nuclear family, okay? And then nuclear family with a wind, which gives you nuclear power, and then nuclear power with a family, which gives you a fallout. Now a fallout together with an island gives you a bikini, and then water together with life gives you fish, and now fish together with a volcano, where is it? Volcano will give you sushi. And now if you want you want to go next, you want to click on sushi and then add an island. Where is the island? There we go. You will get Japan, and then Japan plus bikini, which you have over here, will give you anime. And now anime plus human, where's human? Just a second, there we go, will give you otaku, and then otaku plus anime will give you weeb, and then weeb plus bikini will give you a waifu, okay? And now we can delete this, and then if you combine waifu with family, you get happiness.